Hello my class 4th students. Today we are going to start with chapter number 5, Factors and Multiples from your book Maths Wizard. So let's begin. Factors. Factors are the numbers which when multiplied give a product. Here 3 and 7 are factors of 21. It can be said that in a product each number that is multiplied is a factor. Properties of factors. Every natural number is a factor of itself. Second, every natural number is a factor of 0. Third, we can find the factors of given number by using multiplication as well as division. For example, if you have 10 candies, you can share them equally between 2 friends because 2 multiplied by 5 gives you 10. So, 2 and 5 are factors of 10. Now, you can also share them equally between 5 friends for the same reason. Then, of course, you can also give all the candies to one friend and one candy to each 10 friends. So, 1 and 10 are also factors of 10. Now, let us find factors of 28 using multiplication. You know that every number is the greatest factor of itself. Also, 1 is the smallest factor of every number. Place 1 on the left and 28 on the right. Take the next number 2. You know that 2 multiplied by 14 is 28. So, 2 and 14 are factors of 28. Place 2 next to 1 and 14 before 28. Repeat the process with 4. You'll get 4 and 7 as factors of 28. Now, place 4 next to 2 and 7 before 14. The next numbers 5 and 6 are not the factors of 28. Now, the next number 7, which has already been found as a factor of 28, so we can stop the process here. The factors of 28 are 1, 2, 4, 7, 14 and 28. Now, let's find the factors of 28 by using division. Try 1. 28 divided by 1 will give you 28 as quotient. Try 2. 28 divided by 2 will give you 14 as a quotient. Try 3. 28 divided by 3 is not possible without a remainder. Now try 4. 28 divided by 4 will give you 7. Now try 5. 28 divided by 5. It is also not possible without a remainder. So we are going to now try number 6. 28 divided by 6 is also not possible without a remainder. Now let's jump to 7. Here we are going to stop as we have already got 7 as quotient, that is 7 has already been found a factor. Factors of 28 are 1, 2, 4, 7, 14 and 28. When you divide a number by another number and there is no remainder, the divisor and the quotients are factor of the dividend. Students, now let us discuss factor tree. Factor trees help us in finding different way of making a number by multiplying. This is a factor tree. We can give it as many branches as possible. The encircled number can be further broken up. We stop giving branches, that is breaking up the number when we need to use 1 as a factor. There are many numbers which can be built by multiplying. More than 2 factors. Let us consider the number 20. 20 can be built by 2 factors, 2 and 10. 20 can be built by 3 factors, 2, 2 and 5. Now let's talk about multiples. Multiples, whenever 2 or more numbers are multiplied together, we get a product. This product is a multiple of each of the numbers being multiplied. For example, 2 multiplied by 3 will give you 6. Here 6 is multiple of both 2 and 3. Thus a multiple can be obtained by multiplying a number with any number. Properties of multiples. Look at the multiples carefully. What do you notice? You'll notice that these all are multiples of 2. A number is a multiple of itself. Every number is a multiple of 1. Every multiple of a number is greater than or equal to the number itself. There is no end to the multiples you can get of a particular number. Multiples of 10 always ends in 0. Multiples of 5 ends in either 0 or 5. Students, now we are going to check a number for being a multiple of a given number. To check whether a number is a multiple of a given number, divide the number by the given smaller number. If the remainder is 0, then the number is a multiple of given number. Otherwise, it is not a multiple of given number. For example, we have to check whether 72 is a multiple of 6. Here, 6 divides 72 without a remainder. So, we can say 72 is a multiple of 6. Students, now let us talk about common multiples. Multiples that are common to 2 or more numbers are called their common multiples. For example, multiples of 2 are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 and so on. Multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24 and so on. So common multiples of 2 and 3 are 6, 12, 18 and so on. Students, now let's learn how to use the number line to list the common multiples of any two numbers. For example, Mama Frog hopped 4 steps at a time, while Baby Frog hopped 2 steps at a time. Which number of the steps will they both hop on together? Draw on a number line to find out. The Mama Frog and the Baby Frog both will hop on the number which are common multiples of 2 and 4. Multiples of 2 are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 and so on. Multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28. The common multiples of 2 and 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16 and so on. That's it for the day, students. Bye-bye.